Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use Claude Artifacts for interactive code and documents using the easy steps. This is the best way to open a separate side window on your screen where the tool can display whole pieces of work, like large text sheets or web designs, right beside your chat box so you can edit them easily. Step 1. Open your regular internet browser window, click on your user profile picture, and find the specific toggle menu where experimental tools are stored. Move your mouse cursor up to the top text line of your screen layout, log in to your main account profile dashboard, click your initials or profile circle icon down in the lower left corner, and select the option labeled Feature Preview. Look through the printed list rows that appear flat against your view until you find the line item named Artifacts and click the toggle switch to turn it on. Because this advanced layout system is turned off by default when you first create an account profile, turning this specific switch on tells the underlying engine that it is allowed to break away from standard conversational text boxes. It unlocks a second display frame that keeps long-form sheets separate from your ongoing messaging thread. Step 2. Type a prompt requesting a large separate document container on your screen canvas rows. Move your mouse back to your typing space row, input a direct project command line like create a full template layout sheet for a weekly business plan report, and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Make sure your written request asks for a complete self-contained project block, such as a single document layout or a full web design canvas, rather than a short chat response, because the tool reads your request and decides if the answer is too large to fit inside a normal chat line text stream. When you ask for a comprehensive block, it triggers the newly enabled settings rule, prompting the system to build an official asset block rather than cluttering your chat stream rows. Step 3. Track the creation of your separate artifact container window. The third step is to watch your screen as the system automatically splits your monitor screen in half to separate your chat window from your actual project asset layout. Sit back and let the application build a brand new dedicated display block panel on the right-hand side of your web browser canvas rows, completely parallel to your chat conversation line. Monitor the scrolling content lines as the tool populates the separate frame with your structured plan sheet, watching the progress tracker until it is finished. Because it gives you a clean workspace layout. Instead of scrolling up and down through a long chat to find a piece of information, you get a clean text sheet pinned perfectly on your desk area. This separate frame stands independently from your conversation memory card, preventing any background data format corruption. And that's it. To enable and use Claude Artifacts, you first open your user profile options and click the Feature Preview menu switch on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the chat box to type a comprehensive prompt requesting a large standalone document container on your screen canvas rows. Then, you let the application split your display window in half to build a dedicated preview frame right inside your view. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.